Good morning, grade 2s. Goeiemôre, graad 2s. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Mrs. Allen, and I am so excited to take you through a bit of Afrikaans today. Today, we're going to start just with a little bit of revision of a lot of things that I know that you did in grade 1. So for today, I want you to join in as much as you can. Listen very carefully to my pronunciation of all these Afrikaans words. You should recognize them from last year. And if there are a few that you've forgotten, that's no problem. That is why we are doing revision on them now. So I'm going to get started straight away. And I'm going to share my screen so that we can all see the Afrikaans that we're going to start with today. As you can see, we're going to start with our colors. So in Afrikaans, the word for colors is kleure. Kleure means colors. So all these colors you definitely learned in grade 1. Let's do a quick recap and make sure that we remember all our beautiful colors. The first one we have here is brown, and in Afrikaans we say bruin. Everybody together, please join in with me at home and say bruin. The next one we should all remember is blue. In Afrikaans we say blauw, blauw. Then we have yellow. In Afrikaans, yellow, we say geel. And that is a tricky one to say because of this sound in the beginning. So let's try it again. Geel. Okay, the next one is gray. And when we say gray in Afrikaans, again, we have that sound and we say grys, grys. Okay, we move on to orange. In Afrikaans, we say oranje, oranje. The next one we have is green. In Afrikaans, we say groen, groen. The word for the color black in Afrikaans is swart, swart. Then we have red, and in Afrikaans, we say rooi, rooi. At the bottom, we move on to white. In Afrikaans, we say wit. And that's also a tricky one because the w sound in English, in Afrikaans, it says v, wit. Okay, so it's not wit, but wit. Then we move on to purple. In Afrikaans, we say pers. And the last one is pink, which sounds very similar in Afrikaans, but we say pink. Pink. I'm quickly going to go through all of them together again. Please try to read them with me this time. Bruin, blauw, geel, grys, oranje, groen, swart, rooi, wit, pers, pink. Okay, good. Let's see what else we remember from grade 1. In grade 1, we also learned our days of the week. In Afrikaans, we say dae van die week. Okay, dae van die week. You can see they are not in the right order here. You are going to help me at home to put them in the right order. You can see here we have Sondag, Vrydag, Donderdag, Dinsdag, Saterdag, Woensdag, Maandag. So at home, I want you to tell me which one comes first. Okay, so the first one I'm going to put in the correct order is Maandag. Good, I hope you all got that right. Die volgende een, the next one is Dinsdag. Monday, Tuesday, en dan Woensdag. Mooi. The next one, die volgende een is Donderdag. Donderdag. Vrydag comes next, Friday, Saterdag, en Sondag. Mooi, I hope you got all of those right. Let's read them together again. Ons dae van die week, days of the week, Maandag, Dinsdag, Woensdag, Donderdag, Vrydag, Saterdag, en Sondag. Mooi. Right, then we move on to our months of the year. Maande van die jaar. Months of the year. Once again, they are not in the correct order, and I want you to help me by shouting out at home which one comes next. So I'm going to read the jumbled up order, and then we will put them in the correct order together. Ons sê Maart, September, Junie, November, Mei, Januarie, Julie, Augustus, Oktober, April, December, February. Okay, so a lot of them sound very similar to English, but our pronunciation is slightly different in Afrikaans. Right, so let's look for the very first month of the year in Afrikaans, January. Mooi. Shout out the next one for me. What comes next? February. Good. January, February. And then Maart. Maart is March. April, we can see it looks the same in English, but we don't say April. In Afrikaans, we say April. The next one is May. May. I hope you're saying these with me, pronouncing them correctly. January, February, Maart, April, May, Junie. Junie is June. And Julie is July. The next one is, this is a tricky one to say, Augustus. If we break it up, it sounds a little bit easier. Augustus. Die volgende een, September. Sounds very similar to English. September, October, October, November, and December. Let's say them together again. January, February, Maart, April, May, Junie, Julie, Augustus, September, October, November, and December. Good. I hope that you have managed to say those with me. The last one we're going to revise from grade 1, which I know that you learned as well, is also our counting or numbers. And in Afrikaans, numbers, we say nommers, nommers. So today we're only going to go up to 10. I'm sure that in grade 1, you possibly went up to 20, which we will continue doing when we are back in class. But for today, just a little bit of revision, we are just going up to number 10. So I've got all the numbers here. Once again, they are a little bit jumbled up, and we are going to put them in the correct order together. Here we have 7, 2, 10, 9, 4, 8, 5, 6, 1, 3. All right, I hope that you can do these really quickly. Count up to 10 in Afrikaans for me, and I am going to put them in the correct order. I want to hear you at home saying them out loud for me, please. The first one, 1, 2, I'm sure we can all count in Afrikaans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are you saying them with me? 7, 8, 9, and 10. Nice and easy. Let's count. Let's see if we can do it quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Mooi so. Good, grade 2s. All right, so those are all the little things that we are revising from grade 1. Please make sure that you watch this video again if you need to, just to remind yourself of all the different things we have learned, or we have revised our colors, kleure, also our dae van die week, days of the week, maande van die jaar, months of the year, and our counting or numbers, nommers. So now I've got a little activity for you to do at home over the next few days before we have our next Afrikaans video. What I'd like you to do is go back to the first page of this video and find all the colors that we have learned. And then go around your house, and it says, find objects around your house or in your garden or wherever in your bedroom in all the colors that we have learned. On a piece of scrap paper, please draw a picture of each item that you have found and then label the color in Afrikaans. So you will need this video to help you with the spelling of those colors. And I've given you an example. Perhaps in your kitchen, you find a pot that looks like this and it's red. So I'm going to draw a picture, color it in red, and label it rooi. So just with the color. Then perhaps you find a pillow in your bedroom and it is pink, and we're going to write the color in Afrikaans. You're going to go through all the colors that we have learned and find something around your house and draw a picture of each item and label the color in Afrikaans. Right, and that is the end of our short Afrikaans lesson for today. Next time, we are going to continue doing some Afrikaans and we're going to learn some new words. So make sure before the next Afrikaans lesson, you have really, really mastered these. Well done, grade 2s. I will see you soon. Bye.